Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried deleting an administrator account in Windows 11 but couldn't find the right option or worried about losing important files? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will show you the correct and safest way to delete an administrator account in Windows 11. Whether you are using a local account or a Microsoft account, I will explain everything step by step in a simple way so anyone can follow along. I recommend watching this video until the very end because skipping even one step could cause problems while removing the account. So let's get started. Before deleting any administrator account, there's one very important thing you should do. If the account contains important files such as documents, pictures, videos, downloads, or any personal data, make sure to back them up first. You can copy them to an external hard drive, USB flash drive, or upload them to your preferred cloud storage. This will help you avoid losing any important information. Now here's another important point. Windows does not allow you to delete an administrator account while you signed in to that same account. You must first sign in using a different administrator account. If you don't already have another administrator account, don't worry. I will show you how to create one. First, open the Settings app. From the left side, click on Accounts and then select Other Users. Now click Add Account. Windows will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you want to create a local account instead, simply click I don't have this person's sign in information. On the next screen, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter the username and password for the new local account. Then complete the setup process. Once the account has been created, find the new account in the list and click Change Account Type. Change the account type from Standard User to Administrator. And then click on OK. Now your new administrator account is ready. Next, press Windows plus L on your keyboard to lock your computer. This will take you to the Windows Sign In screen. Select the newly created administrator account and sign in. For this demonstration, I will delete the newly created administrator account instead of the old one, so I can safely show you the entire process without affecting my main administrator account. The steps are exactly the same. Simply select the administrator account you want to remove. Now that we are signed in the another administrator account, let's begin the deletion process. First, open the Task Manager. Then go to the Users tab. Find the old administrator account and right click on it. Then select Sign Off. This step is important because it makes sure the old account is completely signed out before you delete it. Now open Settings again. Go to Accounts and then click Other Users. Now locate the administrator account that you want to remove. As I mentioned earlier, for this demonstration, I'll be deleting the newly created administrator account instead of my original administrator account. This is just to safely show you the complete process. If you are deleting your old administrator account, simply select that account instead. Now click on the selected account. Then click on Change Account Type. Now change account type to Standard User. And then click OK. After that, click on Remove. A confirmation message will appear asking whether you want to delete the account and all of its data. If you have already backed up everything important, click Delete Account and Data to continue. Windows will now remove the administrator account along with its associated files. And that's it. You have successfully deleted an administrator account in Windows 11 safely and correctly. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.